Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the Master Physics by Svedam. So today the question says, a car moves with a speed 40 km per hour can be stopped by applying brakes after at least 2 meters. If the same car just moves with a speed 80 km per hour, then what is the minimum stopping distance? Okay. So first what they provided, a car moves with the speed u equal to, that is initial velocity 40 km per hour, and can be stopped, so final velocity will be zero by applying brakes after at least 2 meters. So this sense is very important. After it covered 2 meters, then we are applying brake to stop the car. Okay, so that the minimum stopping distance is 2 meters. So the next case, what they provided, the same car when it just moves 80 kilometer per hour, and what is the minimum stopping? That is same, final velocity will be zero. So again, they're asking, make it as 1 and 2. They're asking the minimum stopping distance. So minimum stopping distance here in the sense is like the distance traveled by the car while braking time. Okay. So now based on this condition, you want to know, here it is a kilometer per hour, here the meter they provided. So now you want to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So u equal to 40, then a kilometer per hour, when you convert it into meter per second, is a 5 by 18 meter per second. So just cancel with the 2, here it with the 20. So 20, 5 by 9 meter per second. Okay. So next in this condition, we will see. So 80, 5 by 18, so 9, 4. So the finally, so 40, 5 by 9 meter per second. Okay. So you just consider, they didn't mention any time here. So you don't want to take v equal to u plus 80 equation, please neglect. And same thing s equal to ut plus 1 by 280. So no need that equation also. Very simple. So v square equal to u square plus 2as. This is the general equation, but here you want to focus the sign. So what the thing it's happening here means, when car started 40 km per hour, after applying brake, it slows down. So when it slows down, the velocity reduces, that is retardation concept. So that time the plus it will be minus. Okay. And same thing, the final velocity also zero, because same car, it just traveled after applying brake, final velocity will also be zero. So u equal to u square minus 2as. Here you should not change a to g, because whenever object travels in a horizontal direction, your acceleration is acceleration. But when object moves in vertical direction, so that time the acceleration happens because of gravity. So that time the a, it moves to g. Okay. So you have to note that one also. So now minus u square minus 2as. So finally, so u square directly proportional to, yes. So this equation, I mean, this relation is very important. Whenever they are provided velocity and stopping distance, please note down this condition is very important. You don't want to do this kind of things. Simply, I just derive how it comes. Okay. So now you just focus u square directly proportional to yes. So again, I am repeating the sense. Like whenever they are provided speed and minimum stopping distance, so this is the relation. So now u1 square by u2 square equal to s1 by s2. So the s2 only they're asking, the minimum stopping distance s2 only they're asking. Now what about the u1? So now u1 value is 25 by 9. Again, once more we want to write, because it is in square, so 29. Okay. And next what they provided, so u2. So u2 is thing 45, again 45. So the 9, it moves into the numerator part. Okay. So next thing, s1 they provided 2. So s2 we don't know. Now just cancel 9, 9. Again cancel. So your 2 will be there, and this one again 2 will be there. So 5, 5 get cancelled, 5, 5 get cancelled. So remaining it will be numerator, we don't have any number. So denominator only we are having the 4. So 2 by S2. So finally, the minimum stopping distance S2 is 8 meter.